launched our 5-star solutions program last year. And you know, for this channel, it's about more than just product. It's about a comprehensive solution to make their jobs easier and allow them to prosper. So our 5-star solution focuses on the right products and features. It focuses on the right programs for this channel. It also is about support and about resources. We launched a CI portal last year, which is specific and unique to this channel and gives them all the tools like mechanical drawings and white papers and access to customized service technicians, so that, again, it makes it much easier for them to complete the best job with Samsung. I also restructured my organization last year to make sure they're getting the support in the field that they need to be powerful in this channel. I created a new role that specifically focuses on the custom install channel internally, working with our headquarters in Korea and sales and marketing in the US to bring to this channel everything they need, from product features to programs to support on the front and back end, again, to be successful with Samsung.